dropping produces energy. So if I drop my body weight into my skeletal structure and my joints, the energy field is going to glow. You're going to get a momentary pulse of vitality. But if I do this, zero. My bones don't glow, my joints don't radiate, nothing happens. This, it happens. So you've got to drop first, and if you need to follow forward, you can. But get your drop, your compression into the bones, into the joints, so you get that Christmas tree light up effect through the system. So that dropping power is a key to issuing power. Breathe in, expand, drop the hip, stretch your spine, extend the energy, send it out a few meters in front of you. Breathe in, drop the hip, stretch the spine, vibrate. So what I want you to do is really emphasize, drop the hip, stretch your spine, and produce the power. There's a simple exercise you can do to develop that, where you vital breathe. You can be in a neutral stance or a back stance. Breathe the vital energy in through the pores, fill your body like a balloon, drop the hip, stretch your spine, and then vibrate the energy out at that moment of pulse for about 3 seconds, and then go back to the ball. Vital breathe, expand like a balloon, drop, and then fire the energy out. 3 seconds, you keep everything connected between your hand and your foot, stretching and vibrating the energy out. If you go longer than 3 seconds, there's a risk of depleting your vitality, that you'll give out more energy than you brought in. So you have to feel this balance as I'm bringing this much vitality in, I'm dropping the hip, stretching the spine, putting it into the bones, and then vibrating it back out. How much I bring in is how much I put out. If I put out more than I bring in, you're going to get exhausted, depleted, and the rest of the day going, why don't I have any energy? Because that metabolized energy bunch it up. This develops a type of endurance that you can't get from any other exercise, because you're making your bone marrow glow in such a way that energy is pumping out and your body recovers something that normal exercise doesn't recover. You don't get this from normal exercise. So this recovery process is quite unique. So you're exhausting the yin and recovering the yin. And your body's ability to metabolize life force and convert it into this electrical power amplifies through this exercise.